Hey there guys, welcome to another video of the Ferrari Fxx K. Oh my god, it's so cold in here. I'm gonna close that door over. So, today is the day we actually start the design. I spotted a bit of yellow that I missed. And let me turn on the light for you guys. So I had to spray a bit more of the purple again to get rid of the yellow, and it's still showing through. You can kind of see there. That's what I'm talking about. Man, these projects. Okay, so the Ferrari Fxx K is doing really well. The car is officially prepped and ready to go for the design. So now we need to prep the car. Hang on. Let me bring the car up for you guys. Oh! Look at that, people. Oh, I love the neon purple. It's so good, man. Yo, look at that. Oh my god. So, we actually need to get... hang on guys, hang on. Boom! Okay, so, this is the stage that we're at right now. Well, not kind of. Because we need to mask the sides of the car, then mask the actual stripes. Then we'll be at that stage. So that's stage 1, 2, and 3. So, without further ado, let's get this baby fully prepped. Let's go. Yeah, that colour just ran out. Halfway through that spray painting. But oh well, we can just buy more because I found a colour that's very close to that colour. I'm really sorry. Online. So yeah guys, I'll spray the rest of the car off camera. We'll see you in the next one.